Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's have a look at this question and just ended NOV-DEC, that is November, December WASSCE core mathematics paper. The section A. The area of an island or island represented on a map of a scale 1 is to 100,000 is 32 centimeters squared. What will be its area on a map of scale 1 is to 50,000? So this is a scale drawing. Now, if we are having 100,000 and 50, it means that we can ignore the 1 since they're the same and find the scale factor between the two scales. The scale factor between the two scales using the the scale on the ground, which is 100,000 and 50,000. So the scale between the two is going to be, if I can say, the scale factor is going to be 100,000 divided by the 50,000. This is a scale factor if you are looking for the length. Since it is an area, we square this together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled. I'll be left with 10 divided by 5, that will be 2. All square give us what? 4. That simply means that if this is the scale factor for the first graph, map scale, and the second one is this, the second one is going to be 4 times as larger as what? The scale factor or the scale drawing on the first map, which is 32. So knowing very well that we are looking for what will be the area on the map. So area on the map of a scale of 1 is to 50,000 will now become 32 times, let me include a unit, times 4. Meaning this is going to be 4 times as large as the first one, and that will be, this will be 12, right? This will be 8. So I'll be having 128 centimeter squared. And that will be giving rise to what? The A, the option A. Now, if you look at the question, 1 is to 100,000, 1 is to 50. You've been thinking that as this is reduced to half of it, the value of 32 will also be reduced to half. So this will be your first option if you are not to calculate. You'll be thinking about that. But this is a scale drawing. So the answer is supposed to be 128 centimeter squared. I guess it's clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.